Faisal, I would like to know about the salary and the profile that SCL is offering you right now.
My job role is a specialist. My designation is specialist, and I got
Okay.
the package of 8 LPA.
And if I'm not wrong, you're getting around 45% hike.
Yeah, 45%.
And if you can share us about the interview experience with them, how was the interview experience?
Yeah, interview was good actually. Like,
Hi Faisal, how are you?
yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also doing great, Faisal. And many congratulations, Faisal, for getting this wonderful opportunity with SCL. How you're feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm happy right now.
I can see that. Faisal, as you are not our candidate, I really want to know that how you came to know about PyNet Labs.
Actually, to be frank, I was scrolling through my LinkedIn profile. I was searching for jobs.
Okay.
So I saw one post of PyNet Labs that there are vacancies for network engineer in
In
HCL.
SCL.
So, I found one Google Forms link as well. So I filled it out, and the next day itself, I got one call from Ranjit Kaur, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, Ranjit Kaur.
I got one
So
call
it
from
was
her.
quick.
Yeah, it was quick. Yeah, she guided me, and in 1 or 2 days itself, I got call from HCL, and they scheduled
Hmm.
my interview, and the interview was also good.
So the process was quite fast.
Yeah, yeah. In 1 week, everything became.
It doesn't happen so much, but yeah, I think this time with SCL we are also feeling good. The process is actually quite fast, and people are getting calls and they're getting selected. Then the process started. The documentation and everything. Great, great. So our LinkedIn channel must be you following the my channel, right? That
Yeah,
link page. Understood, understood. And this is the first time that you have fill up the form, or you were
yeah.
doing it
First time.
previously?
It's for the first.
Nice. Then you must be very happy. People are
Yeah,
applying from so long time, and you got the call at your first go. So
yeah.
it's really great, great. Faisal, I would like to know about the salary and the profile that SCL is offering you right now.
My job role is a specialist. My designation is specialist, and I got
Okay.
the package of 8 LPA.
8 LPA. Great,
Yeah,
great. And if I'm not wrong, you're getting around 45% hike.
yeah. 45%.
So they also mentioned some variable part as well, like 6%
Yeah,
variable is
6%.
also
Yeah,
there,
yes, yes.
right? Great, great. It's really great. And if you can share us about the interview experience with them, how was the interview experience?
Yeah, interview was good actually. Like there were two interviewers. So one like Angit Tiwari sir and another one Ravi Kant named one sir was there.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
both were conducting the interviews. Both were asking me questions. To be frank, it was good. I felt good. I guess I was able to answer most of the questions. So I felt happy after the interview also.
So it
It took
was
around half an hour.
it took 2.5 hours.
Half an hour. Around half
Half
an
an
hour.
hour. Half an hour. Okay, okay. So it was more situational based questions. How was the
Yeah,
questions? It was totally
both kind of theoretical and practical questions were there. Scenario based questions were there, and also there were like explanatory type questions also were there.
okay, okay. So real time scenarios they were giving you, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I think with experience, people I also have experienced this that the scenario based questions are very frequently asked in the
Yeah.
interviews, right?
Yes.
They really want to see what you have done in the ground, on the ground. So that is the one part. Great, great. And just one technical interview or happen anything? I
Only
mean,
only
only
one.
one. I mean, SCL now, I think they have some project they are working upon, and I think they have bulk hirings, and that's why they're speeding
Yeah.
up their hiring process.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think that is the reason you got a call within 2 days, right? So it's
Mm. Mm.
it's not
Yes.
normal.
Mm.
With MNCs, they take time. Great. And how much time did it took to finally generate the offer letter to you?
Like I got the offer letter, I guess yesterday, day before yesterday. Uh,
Interesting.
like my interview was conducted on like Wednesday, and I got the offer letter like 2 days back. Last
Okay.
Wednesday was my interview, and I got the offer letter on Monday night. Yes.
Okay. So week in a week.
Yeah, yeah,
Great. It's really great. I mean, it's not normal, right? But I'm really amazed to knowing that this is your first time and you just applied, you got the call and your interview got scheduled and definitely Ranjit helped you out with the process and everything.
yeah.
And you did crack it like that. I mean, like, is that easy? What do you, see, this is seriously, I mean, there are a lot of people who are still juggling to, find an opportunity. They are juggling to get an interview, core interviews. Do you have any, Fazil, I mean, you working into the industry, do you have any suggestion or advices for the people who are struggling to get a job or not able to crack an interview?
Advice in the sense, just be good at what you are doing. Like learn more real time scenarios than the theoretical ones. So
Okay.
you will be able to answer the questions if you learn practical more than theoretical.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I
You're
want to.
saying,
The practical knowledge will be better than theoretical knowledge.
okay. Okay. So you're saying focus on the practical part more.
Yeah.
I mean, the work profile which you're mentioning in your
Yes.
CV
Yeah.
is very important, right? I mean, most of the questions comes from there only.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It
Routing. Like
does.
my job role was based on routing and switching, and almost all questions were from that part only. Real time questions and
From which you did mention in your CV, right?
yeah.
They do
Yes.
ask this. You mentioned this. Okay, do you know this?
Mm.
Explain us about this and everything. So, I mean,
Yeah.
mentioning anything in your CV is very important. So
Yeah.
if you're
Yes.
writing down anything that you do in your in your previous job, you
Mm.
need to mention it clearly or carefully. So
Yeah.
that's the one part. That's really good part. Okay. So it's really great that you got the offer and I think you'll be serving the notice period and then you'll be joining SCL, right?
Yes. Yes.
Maybe
Correct.
in upcoming month, sorry. So that's really great. So Fazil, you said that it was your first time, so not much to ask, but we do have a job channels like on the Telegram, on WhatsApp, and on the LinkedIn as well that people are applying, and I'm glad that PyNet Labs is able to help people, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I see you happy, and I'm also feeling happy that somehow you were saying that it was just a one go thing. So it is a really great thing, and I really wish you good luck with this project, and I
Thank you.
hope you'll do very good in it. And obviously, rest we have a lot more to do, right? Anything in the last you want to add?
No, like I'm just happy. I feel good.
You're just happy. Great, great. Thank you so much, Fazil.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.